can't take a joke. He can't take a joke. Just wait and see. Just wait and see. What's new? What's new? I respect your work. I respect your work. I will be back soon. I will be back soon. What are you in the mood for? What are you in the mood for? I don't know anybody. I don't know anybody. My treat. My treat. Help yourself. Help yourself. Slow down. Slow down. Have fun. Have fun. Speak louder, please. Speak louder, please. I am very pleased with your work. I am very pleased with your work. I would like to see you again sometime. I would like to see you again sometime. This way. This way. It's incredible. It's incredible. I am his fan. I am his fan. How are things at work? How are things at work? Call me tomorrow. Call me tomorrow. I quit. I quit. Maybe we can get together sometime. Maybe we can get together sometime. My mouth is watering. My mouth is watering. You look nice in that color. You look nice in that color. You look great. Have you been working out? You look great. Have you been working out? See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Do I have to? Do I have to? Never mind. Never mind. I am home. I am home. I am single. I am single. Let me out here. Let me out here. Don't trust to chance. Don't trust to chance. You are crazy. You are crazy. What about you? What about you? Time is up. Time is up. The food is delicious. The food is delicious. What's the date today? What's the date today? Do you see him often? Do you see him often? Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Have you finished? Have you finished? You will never believe what happened to me today at work. You will never believe what happened to me today at work. Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? There comes a bus. There comes a bus. There are too many people here. There are too many people here. I won. I won. He came by train. He came by train. You are just in time. You are just in time. You have a good sense of humor. You have a good sense of humor. May I take your message? May I take your message? Did you miss the bus? Did you miss the bus? Come on, come on. You set me up. You set me up. How are you recently? How are you recently? Be quiet. Be quiet. Where is he? Where is he? They like each other. They like each other. You are welcome. You are welcome. He doesn't have time. He doesn't have time. It's different. It's different. I want to speak with him. I want to speak with him. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. You are very professional. You are very professional. To be careful. To be careful. Don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. Who told you that? Who told you that? Not yet. Not yet. What should I do? What should I do? You two make a lovely couple. You two make a lovely couple. So far, so good. So far, so good. She is my best friend. She is my best friend. I have had it. I have had it. You look tired. You look tired. Just read it for me. Just read it for me. I speak English well. I speak English well. Hello, this is Hogan. Is William in? Hello, this is Hogan. Is William in? I doubt it. I doubt it. This house is my own. This house is my own. Don't be so childish. Don't be so childish. Of course. Of course. That's neat. That's neat. What do you think? What do you think? It really takes time. It really takes time. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Move out of my way. Move out of my way. I found it. I found it. You are really talented. You are really talented. She is so smart. She is so smart. Wait for me. Wait for me. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Guess what? Guess what? Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Congratulations. Congratulations. Time is money. Time is money. He owes my uncle $100. He owes my uncle $100. I knew it. I knew it. Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? Long time no see. Long time no see. I am sorry. I am sorry. I am used to it. I am used to it. I am crazy about her. I am crazy about her. You always know the right thing to say. You always know the right thing to say.